Alright friends, good morning. Today is 15 November 2025 and it is now Saturday today. And welcome guys, everyone, if you are new, and welcome back to our channel. If you are returning subscribers, thank you so much for keep on coming and watching our videos. Welcome everyone. Okay guys, so ngayon ay we are going to butcher this half a pig, and before waking up I watched some videos how people or how professional people butcher a pig. So just like it's very easy and they don't even need a huge knife or something, just very small knife and very sharp. So I don't have the medium size. I think the medium size of a knife, that's what they used. It's a medium size, but I don't have medium size of a knife. I only have a big, no, not that big, but yeah, and a small one. So that's what we are going to sharp guys. And then I will lay the pig. I think I'm not going to show you how I'm going to butcher it guys, because I'm not so professional. Maybe when the professional people will see how I'm going to butcher this one, maybe they're going to be angry, or oh my goodness, that woman is doing bad, that's not the way how to do it. Maybe people will see that one. So I'm going to show you guys the finished product maybe. Okay, so see ya. Okay guys, so nahati-hati ko na guys, and I also separated the bones and the ribs in here because I'm going to chop the ribs here guys. And also some are for soup, like this one. This is the spine, as you can see, and it has, I left some meat in here. I can scrape the meat and use it guys, but I prefer not to, because we are going to put this in our soups, and in that way we can also have some meat in our soup. And also this one, as you can see that, and these ribs. So I'm going to I didn't take the meat of these ribs guys, because what I want is we are going to saute this, or we can also bake this in the oven, and it is one of our favorites guys. That's why this one too. So I have another one here of ribs, as you can see that, because we love the ribs guys, as I've told you. This one is for soup. So I separated guys the ribs and also the spines and other types of bones in here, because we are going to put in our soups and bake them, as I've said. And this is the ham cock. Yes guys, and yeah, I cut this one, the foot. I already cut it and separated it, and I deboned this part, so we can use this as crispy pata. If you are Filipino, you know what's crispy pata, right? It's so delicious. Para siyang ano guys, lechon, pero this part of the pork. And this is the this is the pork chops guys, as you can see the meat in here until that side, and this is the pork loin. And look at that, that's the pork loin. It is the most tender guys part of the meat, and ito yung ibang part ng leg guys, ng sa harap. That one, and also another part of pork chops. Ayan. So as in guys, na nahati-hati ko na siya. This is the belly part. No, from the neck, this one guys, can you see? You still have a little bit of this thingy. I don't know how they call that. Yeah, so this is part of the neck, and this is the part of the pancetta, the rib guys, the rib. Oh, I think yeah, so can you see that? And more meat here. And this is from the back, guys, from the back. Look at this beautiful meat in here. It is my first time buttering meat, guys, so please don't judge me, okay? Alright, at least I could do it. And I am doing it by myself. So, ito na lang, guys, yung kulang. Ito yung leg behind, the hind leg, this one. And I'm not sure if I'm going to butcher it today or this afternoon, because we have lunch with friends, guys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe slice some of these ones and then separate and then vacuum seal. My husband and Haley are in the volleyball match. My husband accompanied Haley. Lakota and I are at home and I am doing this one. Yeah. And then, yun nga guys, we have lunch at 1:30 to 2. That's what they told us. And I'm not sure if I can make it everything before we go. But that's what it is. We have to do what we can. Alright. So, I think we have meat for 6 months, guys. For the 4 of us. So, ito yung mga karne natin, guys. So, this is our tiramisu, dear friends, and our apple crumble, and it's bubbling. As you can see that. So yummy. I just took it out from the oven. And it looks really yummy. And remember guys, it is my first time making this. And if we love it, I'm going to make more. Because we are in the apple season still. Hello guys, so dito na kami sa bahay. Tapos, anong oras ba kami nakarating dito sa bahay? Mga 6:30 na siguro guys. And then I continue working. And I sorted out all these ones again. So, ito na yung pangalawa guys na sort natin. And then, kulang na lang yung leg. Yung as in hind leg. Yun ang itrabahuin ko ngayon. And I also put the bones in bags, guys, para sa ganun. This is pork ribs. Yeah, pork ribs yan. Para sa ganun, guys, pag gusto kong i-bake, as in, i-defrost na lang, ganun. So, dito namin inilagay sa freezer here upstairs. And I hope there is enough room for everything, so no need to find extra room. Alright guys, so I will show you. Alright, so here, ayan, guys, and I am very thankful kasi malaki guys yung ano natin. Tapos, pinortion ko guys ng as in pang isang lutuan. For example, this one, kung gusto ng mga bata, yung parang grilled lang siya guys. Ayan, ilang slice yan? Mga 4 or 5 siguro. Because my husband is not going to eat that much meat guys. Tapos, ito din, or halimbawa, gusto kong maggisa. Ayan, isang lutuan lang. Tapos, ayan din yung isa. And then, if I have to cook a lot, kung maramihan man, edi anuhin natin guys. Doblahin natin yung portion. Like, these 2 bags. So, ito yung pork ribs. And then, another pork ribs in here. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman guys, yung mga bones. Yeah, yung spine bones, ganyan. Yung this part, vertebrate guys. Ayan, pang soup lahat ito. This one, so ilang bags yung soup natin. This is pata. Ito yung pata guys. Inilagay ko sa isang bag. Yeah, para Isang lutuan na lang. And another bone here. So, ito yung mga bones, guys. And I also I'm going to render this fat. Okay, guys. So, I also put the fats and skin in just one bag. Kulang pa, guys. Meron pa ako dito under of this. And I'm going to put that in another bag. So, pag i-defrost ko ito, guys, I'm going to render it and keep the fat, I mean the oil, guys, na makukuha natin dyan. We are going to keep it, of course. And yung skins niya, yun yung cracklings or yung chicharon, guys. And we can also eat that one. Tapos, ito naman, itong paa at saka buntot. We are going to put in one as well. Pang sahog din sa soup natin. Ito na lang, guys, ang trabahuin natin. This one. As in a very heavy. Tapos yung mga iba't ibang inilagay ko dito. Yung mga small slices. Ganun, guys. So, I'm going to put this one as well in a bag. And then, put as well in the freezer. Or maybe I can separate some, guys. So, pwede kong gamitin ito for giniling. Yeah, ito yung gamitin natin for giniling. And also, if I want some for panggisa for tomorrow's lunch or something, I'm just going to just take some slices. Maganda naman, guys, yung slices niya. And as in now, we have to take advantage of everything, guys. Because yung karne ng baboy, pork, guys, is you can really take advantage of everything. Yeah. So, yun ang maganda sa baboy, guys. Okay, so I'm going to continue doing this. Sana matapos natin, guys. Okay, guys. So, ayan na ang mga karne natin. Sana nga good for 1 year. Ayan, may balat ito, guys. And, ayan. And, nandito naman yung mga pang soup natin. Ito yung pork feet. Dalawang nandyan, guys. And then, ayan. So, wala na. Hooray! Yes, guys, I am so happy because I could manage to cut, slice, sort this half a pig, guys. So, yeah, and I am also thankful because we have food for many days, for months, guys. Yeah, I am grateful. You know pa, I'm planning to make yun nga, guys, giniling. So, yung mga lean meats na nandoon sa mga bags, makikita mo naman na yung bag ay lean meat or something. So, I can just easily take out, defrost, and then I can run into the grinder. Wala kasi akong grinder, guys, at the moment. So, bibili pa lang ako. And, siguro yung, itong nandito, I think I'm going to chop that using 2 knives. Yeah, parang Chinese, guys, na ganun. Ganon. So, yun ang gagawin natin, guys, because I want to eat dumplings, meatballs, yun. So, yun, guys. And then I also have the fat to render. I am so excited. We have lots of bones for soup. So happy, guys. So, thank you all so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for staying with me until finish. I didn't show you how I cut because I'm not an expert. And then maybe when the experts will see how I cut the pig, and then maybe they're going to put their hands on the heads, guys, and then they're going to scold me or shout at me that no, that's not the right one. Maybe they're going to say like that, guys. Anyways, thank you all so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and hope to see you again very soon, guys. Ano pala, guys, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use all this in my videos. So every time I have to pull some meat, I'm going to tell you that this meat is the pig that we butchered together. Yes, guys. So okay, bye and see you. Okay, guys, so this is our small chest freezer here, and this is where I put our meat. So ayan, guys, so thankful because we have our freezer full of meat. And I also use the middle drawer, guys, of our freezer here. I mean the fridge and the freezer. Yeah, so I use the second drawer of our freezer here in our kitchen too.